Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to restrict someone without blocking them on Facebook. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Then tap the three lines from the bottom right corner. From this menu, tap on Friends. Then go to All Friends. Now select the friend whom you want to restrict. Then tap the Friends button below the person's name. From the pop-up menu, select Edit Friend Lists. Here you will find Restricted. Simply tap on it. Then tap Done from the top right corner. That's it. This person is added on the restricted list. From now on, they can only see posts you have marked as public, and those in which they are tagged. So in this way, you can restrict someone without blocking them on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.